Looking for a savings account against a fixed deposit? Well, AU Small Finance Bank Savings Account is what you are looking for. AU Small Finance Bank Savings Account helps you to save money by providing interest on the idle money deposited in the savings account. It offers different types of savings accounts to suit your need. You can avail a video banking facility to open your savings account from anywhere and get a complimentary debit card with added benefits such as insurance cover offered from various brands and much more. We will tell you all the steps that you need to know to complete your application. Please listen carefully and follow it. Please keep the following documents and details handy to start the application process: your PAN card, Aadhaar card, and a mobile number linked with Aadhaar card. So let's get the process started. Visit the AU Small Finance Bank Savings Account website by clicking on the link and start the application journey. First part of the application is mobile verification. Enter your mobile number and verify the OTP. Enter your PAN, accept the terms and conditions and click on proceed. Step 2 is your Aadhaar verification. Enter your Aadhaar number and verify with OTP. Upload original PAN card and e-sign on blank page. Click on complete the application by yourself for self-journey. Note, you can complete the application by yourself or through a assisted journey. Step 3 is filling your personal details. Enter your details such as date of birth, marital status, spouse name, email, etc. Enter your permanent address details and select your communication address for debit card dispatch. Add a nominee, not mandatory, and nominee address. Enter your guardian details and click Next. Step 4 is filling your income details. Select occupation type, annual income and choose FATCA CRS declaration as No and click on Next. Step 5 is to choose your account details. Choose the savings account that suits you best. Choose debit card, chequebook, and you can look for a branch nearby. Now it's time for verification. Recheck all details, give consent and confirm and proceed to payment. Note, minimum payment of ₹1000 is required, and if you choose a premium account, the payment would be as per the minimum payment of the account. And the last step is your KYC verification. After successful payment, you need to complete VKYC